Spices, I didn't see you there. Happy 2019. So this is the area that I do my uploading and editing, everything else. So today we are doing the holiday giveaway. I'm really excited for the winner. We are giving away a griddle set and a barbecue grill set to the winner. But first, I know a few of you guys have asked me when my birthday is because you want to send me spices from your country. It's actually my birthday month. My birthday is January 30th. I was born on my mom's birthday, and surprisingly, my niece on my husband's side was born on my birthday as well. So pretty exciting. If you want to send me a birthday card or if you want to send me spices from your country, my address is in the description box below. And then some of you guys have asked me, how do I make money so I can keep making these videos for you guys? Well, the truth is I don't make a ton of money, but how I do make some money is through the ads that are put on my videos. So if you watch at least 30 seconds of it, I make a percentage. Also, I have an Amazon link, so I have a store below. So if you go through my Amazon link, I make a percentage of what you buy, whether it is my product or if you decide that you forgot to buy some toilet paper or something else. If you went through my link, I do make a percentage, so that really helps out so I can buy more ingredients to make these recipes. Also, I have merchandise, so I have shirts and purses and iPhone covers, all that stuff. So if you buy those, I get a percentage off of that too. Another thing is sometimes I get sponsorship deals, so people send me products to review. If I like the product, I will review it. So those are the ways that I make money to continue making these videos for you, and trust me, they go right back into these videos, so I don't make a ton. I do have also a PayPal link, so sometimes people donate money to me in my PayPal link, which is below in the description box. So that also helps with everything, but of course it all goes right back into making these videos for you guys. Like I said, I don't make a ton, so of course I have a job outside of this, and so does my husband, but we enjoy making these videos for you guys, and thank you guys so much for supporting us, watching our videos, and liking, commenting. That all helps. So without further ado, we are going to pick the winners for the giveaway. So if you followed the rules correctly and you entered with the hashtag I like it spicy, you were put into this hat for the drawing. And so Tristan, my son, is going to draw a winner. So Tristan, all right, here we go. Don't look in the hat. Okay, pick a winner.
We got Ken Rogers, Mostly Outdoors.
All right, you won the giveaway. Make sure you message me on Instagram or Facebook or my email and give me all your contact information, like your name and your address, and I will send you the products. Thank you guys so much for subscribing and following our channel. Bye.
Bye.
And see you in the next video.